3 pieces of cookie and a clicker. I'm gonna keep my arms stretched out with the cookies in this hand and the clicker in the other, and I'm gonna click and reward each time he makes eye contact. Good job! So one of the main problems I'm dealing with Sadie is that from the first day I got her, today's the second, she's been continuously pacing, whining, and going towards the door. There are several theories why she may be doing this. First of all, it's not because she has to go potty, because she does it even after she had peed and pooped. So I have a few different theories. One is that possibly she was an outdoor dog or she had a doggy door. Another possibility is that she's smelling the wildlife around here. There are skunks, raccoons, and rabbits. Another possibility is that she's smelling my free-range chickens and she wants to go out to chase them. And then I'm thinking maybe it could be that she's looking for the owner, because once I take her out, she wants to go towards the gate, almost like if she's looking for somebody. I've had several dogs over that had separation anxiety, and this is something that they used to do. So there are several possibilities, and we're gonna work on reducing this behavior, and we're gonna measure and see if this behavior diminishes over time. What a good girl, yay! Of course, not many people will have access to a tunnel, but the good news is that you can replace the tunnel with some brain games and a training technique known as capturing, both of which I will be showing you later on.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.